Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn about the laws of refraction. Here we can see a light beam passing through a semicircular block made of plastic, placed on a protractor scale. In the overhead view, you can see that the blue ray leaving the ray box is traveling along the 0 degrees line of the protractor and coming out of the other side of the plastic block. Now, when we drag the ray box up to the 40 degrees position, what will happen to the ray when it enters the block? The answer is, it changes direction. This effect is called refraction. It occurs when the ray travels more slowly in the plastic material than it does in the air. As we mentioned before, the ray going towards the flat face of the plastic block is called the incident ray. But the ray leaving the flat face and going into the block is called the refracted ray. A useful general rule is that the ray refracts towards the normal when it passes from the air into a transparent material, like plastic, glass, or water. Now, if we drag the ray box up to the 80 degrees position, as we can see here, besides the incident ray and the refracted ray, we will notice a third ray. This occurs when part of the incident ray is reflected off the flat face of the block, so not all of the light passes through the block. Now, watch the refracted and the reflected rays as we move the ray box back to the 40 degrees position. What do you notice about the intensities of the rays? The answer is the reflected ray becomes weaker while the refracted ray becomes stronger. Now, we will select diagram to see the directions and the angles the ray makes with the dotted normal. Note that the intensities here are not shown. So, what is the angle of incidence here? The answer is 40 degrees. The angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called the angle of refraction R. So, what is the angle of refraction here? The answer is 25 degrees. Thanks for watching.